Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Acorns, a popular investing app that has been around for a few years now. I've been using Acorns for a while now, and I've been really happy with it, so I wanted to share my experience with you. What is Acorns? Acorns is a robo-advisor that helps you invest your money. It's designed to be simple and easy to use, so you don't need to have any financial experience to get started. How does Acorns work? Acorns works by automatically investing your spare change for you. Every time you make a purchase with your linked debit card, Acorns will round up the amount to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. For example, if you spend $10.50 at the grocery store, Acorns will round it up to $11 and invest the extra 50 cents. You can also set up automatic contributions to your Acorns account. This means that you can have a certain amount of money transferred to your account each month, regardless of how much you spend. What are the benefits of using Acorns? There are a number of benefits to using Acorns. It's simple and easy to use. You don't need to have any financial experience to get started with Acorns. It's affordable. Acorns has a variety of pricing plans to choose from, so you can find one that fits your budget. It's a great way to save money. Acorns can help you save money automatically, without even having to think about it. It's a good way to diversify your portfolio. Acorns invests your money in a variety of different assets, which can help to reduce your risk. What are the risks of using Acorns? There are also some risks associated with using Acorns. You may lose money. Investing always carries the risk of loss. Acorns fees can be expensive. Depending on your plan, Acorns fees can be relatively high. Acorns is not a full-service investment advisor. Acorns can't provide you with personalized advice about your financial situation. Should you use Acorns? Whether or not Acorns is right for you depends on your individual financial situation and goals. If you're looking for a simple and easy way to start investing, Acorns can be a good option. However, if you're looking for more personalized advice, you may want to consider working with a financial advisor. Acorns is a great way to get started with investing. It's simple, affordable, and a good way to save money. However, it's important to be aware of the risks associated with investing before you get started. If you're interested in learning more about Acorns, you can visit their website or download their app. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Acorns. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.